what's going on? It's your boy Yo. It's My Life TV, and today we got the reaction coming from Isis with Ringtone. You heard me? I done a reaction for her before on this channel. You know what I'm saying? She coming out of New Orleans. Excuse me. She representing that jet life. You know what I'm saying? And so we gonna support. We gonna get behind it. We gonna do this reaction. You heard me? Let's go. Shout out to Bolo. That was funny. She answered the phone. Call back later. I'm busy. Can't talk right now. Yeah, just count racks up in that thing. Excuse me, why my voice sounded this morning? I don't think I was expecting that, you heard me? Like, I see her wearing the cowgirl hat, but like that really do got like that country twang to it, you know what I'm saying? Almost like when Nelly did that song with Tim McGraw and all that and that, you know what I'm saying, when he was doing that vibe. But it's dope though how she started that off, man. Let's start that back. Hold on. He said, I be here on the road, hit my ringtone, baby. She's talking her shit. Can't know how to bit replace her. She had the goat eating the grass. Hold on. Oh, let's see. Look, she had a goat. She had a goat up in there. She said a bitch live with all these Twitter fingers. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I'm a little older, you know what I'm saying? This younger generation. Like, cause I was on Twitter when Twitter started, so that's, I'm definitely showing my age. But what I'm saying is, people be really, like, making their whole life based off of what's going on Twitter and every emotion they feel throughout the day. Just Twitter. That shit crazy. She like, I'm too real for all that. You heard me? I ain't got time to be worrying about y'all talking shit on Twitter. You know what I'm saying? Catch me out. We outside. You know what I'm saying? She got the horse and everything. She bossing up. Shooters, they don't talk a lot. I like that. I'll be on the road taking care of this business shit. You hear me? Get to her bag. Now y'all make sure I keep running this video up, man. She got well over 700,000 views. You heard me? Shout out to Jet Life. Shout out to her. You heard me? Keep running this up. Get her to 1 million. Support the city, man. New Orleans be on top. Oh yeah, man, she's swagging up on this shit. She's swagging. She got her flow. She done changed it up a little bit from the first verse. You know what I'm saying? I like that. You know, she talking real swaggy though. She said, "Come and take a ride and introduce you to my chauffeur." Yeah. Like I said, I keep saying over and over on this channel, it is women time in hip hop right now. It is women time. You hear me? So please get behind, support her. You know what I'm saying? Make sure she the next big thing come out of New Orleans for sure. Motown. That's so catchy. Yeah. The production hard too, man. Shout out to whoever did the production on this. Yeah, man, so we'll go ahead and stop it there, man. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, shout out to Isis. I thought the video was dope. I thought the song was dope. I thought she definitely, you know what I'm saying, spitting her shit, talking that swaggy shit. And like I say, man, obviously people rocking with it. Over 700 views on YouTube already. I'm just getting a chance to do the reaction, you heard me? So y'all go mess with it, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you hit the like or dislike. Let me know if you're feeling the video, feel my reaction, all that good stuff, man. Keep supporting New Orleans Zone, you know what I'm saying? As always, they're going to keep making music, and I'm going to keep on reacting. We out.